the gift from God. Today is day 7, sweet, subtle, and silent. Now we'll be listening to Moini Didi.
Om Shanti. We are so fortunate that we are able to be together with Adi Gulzar, Adi Janki, and looking at them, taking blessings from them. Feel very, very lucky, very fortunate. And then combination of practicing 11 times or 12 times, 12 times Adi Gulzar said, even for few moments, every hour we have traffic control with Adi Prakash Mani began. So it's very beautiful. And same is Manan Chintan. We get a point and then we know we have to reflect. So I sometimes find that mind is so busy and whatever we have to do, we're doing it. But while doing, the pull is there. Oh, I have to do my, is it time for a few minutes to stop, be with Baba or solitude or churn a point, but also the point which we get because we want to not only churn on that, but experiment with that. It's very beautiful. Then immediately attention goes on practice, but also experimenting. So I think that how dadis are making us do the efforts and so that we also, as Baba mentioned, that of course the stage of churning, reflection, but also merged, so those few moments I was thinking that if we just go in, just few moments, Baba, you are ocean of peace. I am peaceful soul. Like Dadi Gulzar said, when you think of God, Baba, you think of soul. And when you think of soul, you are bodiless and also you are with Baba. So it's very, very, I feel it's such a great fortune and opportunity for us to make such quality efforts. It's really, really, I find so amazing and I really, really feel that how Baba and Rama at every moment, every step in our life is helping us to become, to reach to a stage of perfection. And this is Baba's love. And as Dadi said, we have to be masters. Baba said, air souls will claim and feel and use all blessings and all powers of Baba. Of course, whatever efforts I make and I use them, while making efforts, I use them, that much I become embodiment. So Dadi Gulzar is image in front of us of how remaining merged, not only remaining merged, but then using power. That is why we never saw in her life that she was disappointed or she had less energy or less enthusiasm. No, it's like full. As Baba said, every moment you look at this soul, she's so full. Even not only situations, circumstances happen, but many people, lot of people will come and start describing so many situations to Dadi to get solution or to get blessing, or they want that she should tell Baba about this and find some answer for them. But she was not, she was untouched. And why she was untouched? Because she was merged in Baba. She always, as if when you are talking to her, before Baba comes, like 1 hour before, some souls who had something very important, they would go because they couldn't tell on stage, so they will tell Dadi so that when she goes, it's like a message to Baba. And she's listening as if Baba is listening. It's really, it's not, they're not telling her, they're telling Baba. And I know I picked on that also one time. So most of the time, I also, when somebody is saying something, I immediately say, they're telling Baba. So day before yesterday, someone was saying, and I'm saying, but Baba is listening what you're saying. And next day it becomes different because Baba is listening to us. So even we have to listen. It's respect, a part of our duty, cooperation to listen to every soul. But if I am listening, then it will touch me. But if I say they are asking Baba, so I'm thinking of Baba and listening as if Baba is listening. But that was Dadi Gulzar's specialty. So that is why she could go to Baba without even having all those thoughts which 1 hour souls have been talking about. So we also have to learn and do this practice of listening and especially listening. Baba is listening. Baba will have to respond. Baba is listening. Baba will give them power. Baba will solve it. Very, very beautiful and lovely and powerful practice which Dadi Gulzar had. And I'm sure she took it from Bab Dada. Because even when Brahma Baba listened to everything, Baba thought they are talking to Shiv Baba, not to me. So ultimately, Baba, Shiv Baba is the one who is the one who will forgive. He's the one who will uh, helps the souls in whatever their needs are. It's a very beautiful time these few days for us to be with both Dadis, Avek Bab Dada, and also, of course, all the ancestor souls. So just look at the value each moment of what we are receiving at this time. Om Shanti.